All I taste is hulls. Oh, that's a...
Careful.
What is it?
No, just put it in your mouth.
Yeah.
Just put it in your mouth.
It's...
A little more palate.
What the fuck is this? This is nasty.
Just bite it.
Oh, what is that? Oh, it's salty awful. Oh.
What is that?
Oh, you're gonna puke. It tastes like yeast. Oh, that's horrible.
What is it?
More water.
I want to try and
It's stuck on my teeth. Oh, God, that's terrible shit. What is that?
Oh, it's really salty.
Oh, that's a Vegemite.
Oh, is that what it is?
Oh,
Tastes like a Vegemite. Take
Take
it.
a drink.
Vinegar Mum is the drink.
That's really salty. What do you do with it normally? You eat it on a sponge?
Ooh.
What are you doing?
What is it?
What are you supposed to do with it?
Eat it.
Oh my God.
Take a drink then.
Oh, honey, that's some nasty. That is some stuff there.
You put it in your fish tank.
That's
what
what,
you do.
yeah.
It's for fish.
Salt the water
Fish
off.
tank food.
Oh, that's terrible. That is nasty. They eat that there? They eat that in Australia, do they?
On what? On a sponge?
Oh. What would you eat that for? To puke? Oh no,
You
that's
don't put
nasty.
it on toast. You put that on toast?
Yes, that's what's on the can. And
But
with
usually
the
they'll
toast.
put like butter and...
No, you just put it on it. I grew up on that stuff.
Oh my God.
No, he grew up on a stronger version.
Yeah, it's a mild version.
How? Oh my! Have you tried that before?
I just did.
Oh.
It's like, seriously, it's like fish flake food.
No, what it tastes like, you know, like the XO cubes that you put in like gravy stock.
No, it doesn't.
Yes, it does.
It
With like
tastes like
super salt in it.
fish flake. You know, food like fish flakes for your
Yeah,
fish
well, I
tank?
get that part too. Oh God.
Oh, you leave me with that.
I don't mind their lozenges and their taffies, all good, man.
Oh.
That one was a little dull fantail thing, but I like these lozenges. Put that back in your mouth. I'll get rid of that.
Oh.
No, I took that as soon as that hit my tongue. I hurled it. As soon as that hit my tongue, I hurled it, man.